Good morning, Panther families. I had a request from a couple parents to make a quick video on the basic sounds and sound combinations that our Panthers should be practicing in their independent work and their lessons there at home. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. There are a lot of sounds, and you're going to see that I hold them for about 3 seconds if they're long sounds, but if they're quick sounds, I'll also verbalize that, and you'll see that it's a very quick sound. So let's get started with the basic sounds first. Okay. This sound is ah, b. It's a quick sound. B. Another quick sound. K. Another quick sound. D. This sound has 2 sounds. It's e or eh. G. Another quick sound. Notice how my mouth is slightly closed. Like igloo. J. Quick sound. Another quick sound. K. L. This sound also has 2 different sounds. It can be O or ah. P. Now these 2 letters, they make the sound coo. I'll say that again. Coo. R. Make sure that they don't say This sound is r, like you're about to say roar. R. Quick sound. T. Notice my mouth is slightly closed. V. Woo. X. Like you're opening up a Coke can. X. Yee. Z. Good. So those are your basic sounds. We're going to go over the sound combinations now. When these 2 letters are together, they usually say R. My kids know it as the pirate sound. R. R. This sound is sh. Also a long sound. Sh. This one often gets confused with this one. This is a long sound, but this one is a quick sound. Ch. Very quick. These letters are identical to the sound for W, so it's just woo, same thing. Woo, E, or. I put this one again just for extra practice because it is a little tricky. Coo, all, like ball, all. This sound has 2 sounds. It can be ow or kind of like you got hit in the stomach. E, ooh. And those are your sound combinations. There are more, but since this is just review work for your scholars, this should be majority of what they're working on. If there are any other questions, or if there's a sound that maybe you're not so sure of and neither is your Panther, please send me a message, comment below, or just text me. You guys have my number. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a fun time with this. Remember, go at your own pace. You've got this. You guys are doing great. Love you all.